In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave accounting software for beginners. Starting off, open your web browser and head over to the Wave accounting website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button located conveniently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. For those with a Google account, you have the option to make this process even smoother by clicking on Sign In with Google and selecting your preferred Google account. Once you've logged in, your dashboard will unfold before you. On the left panel of the dashboard, you'll see a list of your main tools. This includes essential areas like dashboard, sales and payments, purchases, receipts, and accounting, among others. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these because they are instrumental for managing your financial activities. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find your account profile along with the settings. It's good to know where this is, as it's your control center for adjusting account details and preferences. When you're ready to start creating, look to the top left panel and click on the Create New button. This is your gateway to generating new entries like transactions, estimates, and more. For today, we'll focus on how to create an invoice, a fundamental task in accounting. Start by clicking on Invoice. Next, you'll want to add a customer to this invoice, so click on Add a Customer and choose the appropriate customer profile from your list. With your customer selected, the next steps involve setting up the invoice details. Select the invoice date that corresponds to your needs, and remember to choose a payment due date that gives your customer a reasonable time frame for settling the amount. Now, it's time to specify the items or services you're billing for. Click on Add an Item and select the relevant product or item from your inventory. Don't forget to add the quantity for each item to accurately reflect what's being sold. Once you've added the items, review the price to ensure it's correct. Make any adjustments if necessary. If your item or service requires tax, you can easily add it during this stage. At the bottom of the invoice setup, there's an option to attach any supporting documents or files. Use this to include attachments that might be beneficial for record keeping or customer reference. After you've meticulously filled in all the details, go ahead and click Save and Continue. This allows you to review your invoice one last time before finalizing. Once satisfied, approve the draft by clicking Approve Draft. Following approval, you'll want to send off the invoice. Click on Send Invoice, and, once it's on its way, mark the invoice as sent by clicking on Mark Invoice as Sent. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using Wave Accounting. This straightforward process ensures your billing is accurate and professional, allowing you to manage your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!